Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the Girl Boss Beauty community. I'm Stacey Elaine. In today's video, I'm going to give you a review and a demonstration of the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This is a unique product because it is meant to be a first cleanse. It's suitable for all skin types and it's meant to be an effective way to remove your makeup. So as you can see, I have on a full face of makeup today. I thought this would be a great way to show you guys how much makeup actually comes off when I'm using this and how to actually use the product. So like I mentioned, Clinique said that this is for all skin types, and I have a dry to just, I get oily right here on my nose, which you can see. I did not set my makeup today, so you can tell how much oil my skin would produce in one day because I've had this makeup on all day and I have not set it. And it's about 1 a.m. I was gonna grab my phone, but it's about 1 a.m. in the morning. So you take the balm, and I wanted to do this before I ran out. So that's why I'm filming it today. And I'm going to take about this amount, and on a dry face, you just massage this in, and the balm melts into a rather slick oil. And you just massage it all over. It's not the cleanest way. Like, if you don't like getting your hands dirty, you're not gonna like this. I'm just gonna tell you right now. If you are like, oh my gosh, I can't touch anything once my hands are dirty, you're gonna absolutely hate this. I'm gonna take a little extra and I'm gonna put this on my lips. Okay, so yeah, this is what I look like. And now I'm going to rinse my face a whole bunch of times and be right back. Alrighty, so this is how much makeup basically came off. You can see it's basically removed all my makeup, but I like to double cleanse. So I'm gonna take a Pond's, I'll show you. One of these Olay Wet Activated Daily Facials. The reason why I'm taking these is because if there's makeup left on my face, I don't want it on my towels. My makeup is brown and black and red, and I have a lot of white towels. So I'm just gonna wet this with warm water, and then I just put this on my face to remove the rest, whatever was left behind. I wanna remove every single bit of the makeup. I do not recommend using the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm on its own. I do feel like you will need to wash your face and cleanse your face after you remove your makeup. So I have a towel and we'll see how much came off. So whatever came off, it came from my hairline. So now I'm going to tone with my Ole Henriksen, and we'll see how much is still left on my face. Alrighty. This is how much was still on after my double cleanse. in my hairline. I don't want to break out here, so I try to make sure I get there with the toner. By my ears. Yeah, a lot. So that is how I cleanse with the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I probably will not repurchase this. It does last a very long time. It does not expire within 2 years. So it has a 24-month shelf life, which is really impressive. It is great for all skin types, but I do feel like it's just so messy, and that's why I don't like it. I do prefer just using the Olay facial or using a liquid remover like this one. And I highly recommend the Clinique Take the Day Off liquid or eye makeup remover. And it's purple. It's in a purple bottle. It is very effective. I've already used all of that up, but I actually like it better than the cleansing balm. It's just my opinion. I just don't like all the mess, but I am on a no buy and I'm committed to using this up. As you can see, I'm almost there. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and do this tutorial and this demo for you guys tonight or this morning. So as I always say, be blessed to be a blessing, Girl Boss Beauties. I hope you have a wonderful night, and please subscribe if you would like more product reviews. Bye.